Hey everybody, Will from the Machine Love Us channel, here with some channel updates that I want to talk about that I'm very excited about. The first is an opportunity for you to work together with me on a project. I'm starting the next incubator where we do sort of a small group project together focusing on data science and data engineering. That'll start January 1st, 2020. And it's going to be a small group, maybe about 5-ish, certainly under 10. So if you want to get your hands dirty, work on a data engineering, data science project, this will require some natural language processing, pipelines, cloud, AWS stuff, all the good stuff that we do here on the channel. Shoot me an email at admin@growthtesttube.com or go to growthtesttube.com to check that out. And more in the comments below and the links below. Second thing is, because I'm coming up and finishing this data engineering capstone, which you may have seen in the video series recently, and because I'm finishing up some other things, what I think we're going to do is move on to focus on some actual Rust game development, which is kind of interesting to me. Still learning Rust, still following along. So I want to hear from you about that direction, what kinds of things you'd like to see on this channel, what other things you would want to do, maybe going away from Python and data science a little bit towards Rust and building a game is, you think that's a mistake. So I want to know, let me know. I'm not sure if I'll do a dev blog immediately because I'm still pretty new into Rust, and so this is definitely going to be a learning experience for me. But some of you have said in the comments that you'd like to see sort of the trial and error working out of problems. So if that interests you, let me know. If you think that's a mistake, to do more of Rust and maybe some game development, and instead go back and focus on data science. I think I'm going to split the time a little bit between those two for now, but we have the Fluent Python series that I'm still committed to do, and then we have more of the introductory Rust stuff, which I'm definitely excited about. Also, one final thing, I think I'm going to set some time aside for videos for folks breaking into data engineering, data science. So if you want some tips and tricks, things to do, how to navigate getting into data science and data engineering, let me know also in the comments below. Thanks for subscribing, thanks for watching, and let's get back to our regular programming now. Have a good one.